TransTune, first aid for fluid systems. TransTune works fast in automatic transmissions, hydraulics, and power steering systems to overcome rough operation caused by sticky fluid residues. In automatic transmission fluid, TransTune restores shift quality by clearing sticky varnish from valve bodies and shift solenoids. In hydraulic systems, it solves and prevents operational problems caused by sticky residues and moisture in fluid. In power steering systems, use TransTune to overcome hard steering or quiet a noisy steering pump. TransTune works fast to dissolve and liquefy harmful gum and varnish buildup in fluid, clean and lubricate valve bodies, shift actuators, and solenoids, and control moisture in fluid. TransTune is safe for conventional and synthetic fluids and will not swell seals or harm gaskets, O-rings, or clutch material. It's safe and effective in most types of transmission fluid, hydraulics, or power steering fluid systems. Help your fluid system work smoother and last longer with TransTune.